y'all, so we are jumping right into this video today. I am starting off with these braids that I've had in my hair for a while, so they could really use a little TLC. So I'm just spraying this Marii leave-in conditioner everywhere, and then using the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner as well on top of that, and just really trying to focus on my ends. And whenever I'm doing a slick back like type of look, I never put any extra oils, leave-in conditioner on my edges. I only put whatever product I'm using on my edges, such as like this Gorilla Stunt or, you know, edge control. I just try not to put extra product on my edges because I feel like it causes the gel to slip, which in return doesn't lay my edges the way I want to, and doesn't hold them. So I've said edges like 50,000 times already. So anyways, you guys, just put this Gorilla Knot all over and just brushing it back. And then I'm just going to tie these little braids back as tight as, you know, I feel comfortable. And then I'm gonna pop a, what do you call this? A wig cap over it. And I'm just using the wig cap just to hold my hair down, and mainly to set the gel that I just used in place. So next, I'm taking one of my favorite products right now, you guys, for my edges. Here we are with the word edges again. This Lagoom Jam, I got mine off of Amazon, and it lays them so flat. They don't move. I've even been like to the pool, you guys, with my edges still laid in this heat and humidity in Houston, and this works really, really well on my hairline. So I'll put the link to this down below in the description box if I can find it. But I'm just doing some exaggerated swoops this go around. Typically when I have wavy hair, curly hair, those kind of things, I like to kind of do a little bit more on my hairline, and I kind of feel like it's appropriate for wavy or curly hair to do a little bit more on your edges, especially if you are working with the headband wig like I am. I just think it, you know, just kind of adds to it and makes it, you know, flow a little bit nicer. So after I finish this part, I'm just going to just tie my hair down. And I think I tied my hair down just long enough for me to just pop a little makeup on my face. 5 or 10 minutes is all you need, if you even need that. And so this is what I'm working with, you guys, from UNice Hair. This is their headband wig. I've only tried this, only my 3rd headband wig. And so everyone that I've found is a little bit different so far. So they have 2 combs right here, 2 larger combs, and of course the Velcro strap, which is your headband. And this is their 24-inch natural wave. So all I'm gonna do is just pop this on. I just put it over my head. I'm just going to secure the comb right here in the front, and then I'm gonna secure the comb in the back, and then I'll turn around and show you guys just how it looks from the back right here. So you're just gonna take both sides and just fasten them together. Very simple, very easy. And honestly, y'all, this works as a style just like this. So you could wear the wig just, I don't have to put an extra headband or anything on. I could have just went out the door looking like this, looking cute and stuff, but I didn't. So I'm just going to kind of undo these waves a bit, just kind of brush them out, because I didn't wash this wig like I typically do with all of my lace fronts. I just popped this on, so I want to actually kind of see the curl pattern, because it always ends up loosening up just a bit once you wash it. That's with every single company, in my opinion, just about. So yeah, and this was no different. It kind of loosened up a bit, which I expected. So I just sprayed a little bit of curl like reviver on it, and then added a little bit of the Lottie Body mousse, and then I'm just taking my Tangle Teaser and combing through a bit. I did get a tiny bit of shedding, but not too bad, and other than that, the hair was soft. It was nice. I love the waves in it. And I also want to point out, because I know a lot of you will love to throw this up in a ponytail, or just not want to have to fool with, you know, curls and waves and all that, but the density on this unit was perfect, you guys. I did not struggle with putting this hair up in a bun or a ponytail. It was like, and it felt good. It didn't feel like too much hair either. So definitely love this water wave and love the density on this headband wig. So like I said before, you could keep this black strap as your quote headband, but I'm gonna pop this little ribbon that they sent me on top of it just to do something a little different, just to show you guys some options, because you do have options with this wig. So here I'm just showing you how it looks down, very easy, very simple. And then now I'm just gonna do like half up, half down, just in case you want to put a little extra into it, just in case it's date night, or you know, I don't know, you just want to switch it up on the Zoom meetings and the conference calls. You do have a few options, styling options with this particular wig, and I actually really love this look on me. I was like, oh my gosh, it's been such a long time since I wore my hair half up, half down. You guys, I used to wear my hair like this all the time when I was like a teenager. But anyways, last but not least, just showing you how I pulled it up in a ponytail. And the only thing about these headband wigs, if you prefer to wear it up in a bun, you're gonna get that little bump in the back, and that's just because the comb is back there. So just kind of keep that in mind if you're pulling it up in a bun. Other than that, you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. This is gonna be perfect for the, oh my god, it's gonna be perfect for the cooler months in the winter time when you don't feel like doing your hair. But if you guys have any questions, comments, put them down below. Of course, I will answer you. Great job, UNice Hair. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.